Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about vitamin A and its importance for your cat. I am Dr. Sudarshini Dasanayaka, consultant veterinarian from Sri Lanka. Hope you will enjoy this session. Before we go into the actual topic, I would like to introduce few more facts about your cat. Cats are obligate carnivores, that means they have to feed with meat essentially. Their main energy source is protein, and some foods that we are eating are toxic for your cat. Those foods are chocolate, garlic, avocado, resins, grapes, fruit seeds, milk, etc. Vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin. It's a hydrophobic molecule, readily destroyed by heat, light and air, but soluble in methanol, chloroform and ether. Vitamin A can be found in two forms. First one is free-formed vitamin A, other one is provitamin A. When we consider about free-formed vitamin A, it's active form of the vitamin A and found in animal products and animal tissues. They are retinol, retinal and retinoic acid, most commonly found as retinyl esters. However, overconsumption leads to toxicity. Provitamin A are beta-carotenoids found in fruits and vegetables, not a source of vitamin A for cats, but can be absorbed through the intestinal lumen, but unable to convert it to retinol because cats they lack necessary enzyme for that conversion. Vitamin A discovery and synthesis. Vitamin A discovered by Elmer McCallum from University of Wisconsin and Lafayette Mendel and Thomas Osborne from Yale University simultaneously and independently. They discovered it in 1917. They named it as fat soluble factor A, that is vitamin A. Vitamin A synthesis first synthesized by two Dutch chemists in 1947. They are David A. van Dorp and Joseph Ferdinand Arens. Vitamin A structure first elucidated by organic chemist Paul Karrer, who lived between 1988 to 1917. He discovered this structure in 1929. He received Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1937 for this discovery. Vitamin A, its molecular formula is C20H30O. Its molecular weight 286.5 gram per mole. It looks like yellow crystals or orange solids. The basic structure of the retinoid molecule, it has a cyclic end group, a polyene side chain and polar end group. Here you can see retinol molecule, retinal and retinoic acid. In retinol, it has hydroxyl group. In retinal, it has aldehyde end group, that is COH group, and in retinoic acid, it has carboxylic acid group, that means COOH group. Vitamin A, it has three forms: retinol, retinal and retinoic acid. Retinol is alcohol form, has OH group, that is hydroxylic group. Retinal has aldehyde group, that is COH group. Retinoic acid has carboxylic acid, that means COOH group. Retinol can be converted to retinal and retinal can be converted to retinol. That is, this reaction takes place in both sides, from retinol to retinal and retinal to retinol. But retinol to retinoic acid, it's only one way reaction, that is only that conversion takes place from retinol to retinoic acid. Digestion and absorption. Digestion, retinol esters are fat soluble. So in the presence of bile salts in small intestine, they form micelles. And pancreatic triglyceride lipase, that comes from pancreas, and phospholipase B from brush border. Those two enzymes acts on those micelles and converts retinol esters into retinol. Absorption, enterocytes uptake retinol, and this reaction, that uptake mediated by lipid transporters. Then retinol get bound by cellular retinol binding protein 2. On this complex, lecithin retinol acyl transferase acts and forms, that means catalyze that reaction, esterification reaction. Transport, storage and excretion of vitamin A in cats. Transport, retinol esters incorporated with chylomicrons, then secrete into lymph. After that, transport with low density lipoprotein, that is LDL, with LDL to the liver. In the liver, hepatocytes uptake the retinol esters and hydrolyze, and after that it takes different pathways. Storage in cats mainly liver and kidney. Excretion by urine. Functions of vitamin A in cats. Gene transcription, helps fetal development, it acts as antioxidant, supports bone metabolism and supports hemopoiesis. For proper vision, vitamin A is necessary, and it maintains healthy skin and mucous membrane, supports stable immune system and helps proper reproduction. According to AAFCO 2007 recommendations for growth of your cat, it needs 5,000 international units vitamin A per kg of feed. For growth and reproduction, has to have 9,000 international unit vitamin A per kg of feed. That is AAFCO 2007 recommendation. Signs and symptoms of vitamin A deficiency in cats: weight loss, muscle weakness, retinal degeneration, night blindness, photophobia, conjunctivitis, keratomalacia, animals getting poor coat, weak hind legs, highly susceptible to infectious diseases, an animal shows reproductive failures and disorders in development. Hypervitaminosis A, mainly caused by excess amount of vitamin A in the body. If your pet cat you feed solely with liver, this condition may develop. Symptoms: dull hair coat, lethargy, anorexia, weight loss, constipation, difficulty in grooming, joint stiffness, immobility, bone and joint pain, and characteristic kangaroo-like stance. Rich sources of vitamin A for cats: salmon, tuna, mackerel, chicken, liver, fish liver oil, eggs. So this is our end of our session. I hope you enjoy well, and we will meet again like this episode in future. Until then, take care. Goodbye.